I chose to go ahead and just put this handout in front of you, kind of review. We calculated total revenue and we decided that if price and total revenue went in opposite directions, it was elastic. And if price and total revenue went in the same direction, it's inelastic. So the formula for calculating total revenue, price of the product that you're selling times how many you were able to sell at that particular price gives you the amount of money that you have coming in. So we talked about when price is when quantity is very sensitive to a change in price, you increase the price, people are going to quit buying them because the quantity demanded is going down at such a rate that your total revenue is actually going down. So if you have an elastic demand, then you are actually going to want to decrease the price of your product because you're going to see a very significant increase in quantity demanded, so your total revenue is going to go up. When you have a situation where the demand for your product is inelastic, you're going to see the price go up, your total revenue is going to go up because the quantity demanded is not going to change by very much. You're not going to lose very many people. They're going to continue to buy it. So the same thing is going to happen though if you decrease the price, because you're not going to gain very much because it's not sensitive to a change in price. People are going to continue to buy at the same amount. So by actually lowering your price, your total revenue is going to go down. All right, so we're going to do a little math here. You're actually going to have to spend some time, and I'm not going to actually be circling this, but on your paper, you are going to circle the up and down arrows. This one has been done for you. So the example here is we have a price increase. We go from $5 to $6. Over here is showing what our quantity demanded is doing. So at $5, our quantity demanded is 15. When we raise the price to $6, our quantity demanded actually goes to to a quantity of 10. This is critical. This is where everyone makes the mistake. They say, oh, price went up and quantity went down. We're not looking at that to determine elasticity. We have to calculate what's happening to the total revenue. So if you are using this number to answer that question, you're going to get some of these wrong. Some of them you're going to get right just because it's going to work out that way. But it's going to be very random. And if you don't show your work in terms of how you got your quantity demanded, then I'm going to definitely mark them all wrong because you're not sure what you're doing. So we're going to take our old price and our old quantity. Our $5 price with a quantity of 15, our total revenue is 75. When we increase the price to $6, our quantity demanded went to 10, so that's a total revenue of 60. This is the number that you're going to look at to see what happened to your total revenue. So when we went from 5 to 6, we're going to circle the up arrow. Our total revenue went from 75 to 60. That is a decrease, so we're going to circle the decrease. And so what we know by this is when price goes up and total revenue goes down, they're going in the opposite direction. The demand for this product is elastic. So for the rest of these, you're going to have to actually do it. I'm not going to write it down. I will walk you through the steps though. So take a few moments to write this down. So we have an old price of 10, so you're going to put that price there. And at 10, our quantity demanded is 100, so we're going to put that there. And then we're going to multiply price times quantity. 10 times 100 is 1,000. If you don't know the math, put it in your calculator because it's ridiculous to miss this because you have access to tools. Use them. Our new price is $9. Our new quantity is 110, so you're going to plug that in. So 9 times 110 is 990. So then we're going to evaluate that. 10 to 9 is a decrease. So we are going to circle our down arrow. Our total revenue went from 1,000 down to 990, so that is a decrease in total revenue. Both of them are going down. Your arrows are going in the same direction, so you're going to write inelastic on this line. When they go in the same direction, it's inelastic. The next one says we're going to raise our price from 6 to 9. At $6, our old quantity demanded is 60. So 6 times 60 is 360 is our old total revenue. We're going to take our new price of $9, our new quantity of 50, and put it there. 9 times 50 is 450. You should have all this written down. So price went from 6 to 9, so that's an increase. Total revenue went from 360 to 450, so that's also an increase. So our arrows are going in the same direction, so it makes it price inelastic. I got this out of a book, and they had a misprint on here, so I changed that. It should be $6 because we're falling. So we're going from $6.50 to $6. Our old quantity is 100. Our new quantity is 200. So from 650 times 100, which is our old quantity demanded, 650 is our old total revenue. When we have $6 and 200, that's 1,200. So our price went down. Circle your down arrow. Our total revenue actually goes up. It goes from 650 to 1,200. These arrows are going in the opposite direction, so it's price elastic. And then this last one, our old price is $4 and our quantity demanded is 300, so 400 here. Quantity demanded of 300, which gives us a total revenue of 1,200. Our new price is 375, and our new quantity demanded is 340, and our total revenue is going to be 1,275. So our price is going down. We're going to circle the down arrow. Our quantity demanded actually goes up, so we're going to circle the up arrow. Arrows go in opposite directions, and so that is elastic. So 6 and 7, a lot of you are going to want to skip. It's really important. If you want the 4, you have to know. Why do price and total revenue go in opposite directions when the demand is elastic? Because when you raise the price, it is extremely price sensitive. Your quantity demanded is going to go down so much that you're actually going to start losing total revenue. But because it is so price sensitive, when you lower the price, your quantity demanded is going to go up so much that your total revenue is going to go up. And then price and total revenue go in the same direction when it's inelastic because you're not changing the quantity very much at all. You increase the price, people continue to buy it, so you're going to make more money. You lower the price, you're not really going to gain very much because it's not price sensitive, so you're going to actually lose money.